I want to create my own bean of the message digest. And I'm gonna show you how you can do it as well. First of all, why would I want to do that? Why do I want to create this into a bean? Well, if I want to reuse this object in other places with the same behavior which I have implemented one place without rewriting that code, I would want to do this. So I'm going to create a new class. This is going to be our message just config class. We're going to annotate this with configuration. We're going to create a bean function, public message digest, and this is the object we want to return out to the Spring context world with our implementation. And the implementation is what we will do inside this function right here. If we go back to the other class, the implementation is just an instance of MD5, which is a type of algorithm. So I'm gonna cut this out, go back to the other config, and return it. Now this is complaining because we need to throw a exception to the method signature, or rather add it to the method signature. And once that is done, the Spring magic is over. This is it. This is all you have to do to make it part of the void in Spring, so you can access and summon it. So now I can replace this with a constructor that takes in it instead of defining it ourselves. So when we run this, Spring is gonna, know where all the beans and potatoes are, and when we get to this specific class, it will find out that, hey, we have an implementation of this class, and let's give it, and then it will, get the instance of MD5, and voila, it's the same behavior as before.